Okay, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a quick video on how to control the lives in Picture Pool. So if you guys want to know how to control the lives in Picture Pool, you can watch this. Does somebody want to turn that light off? Can you turn that light off? Okay, so first of all, let's go and look to see how many lives we have. Okay, so you're going to start out with 4 lives. Is that enough? It is. What do you want the lives to start at? 4? Okay. So you have to go in here. Can you guys keep it down a little bit? You have to go down here and see where you're losing lives at. It's right here. So when you go to score something, you're going to find out if the other sprite, and this isn't really correct. I really need to go up here and change this. Okay. I don't want to call these B sprites anymore. Let me go ahead and look to see what I'm putting in here. Purple alien. Yeah, see, I didn't name everything correctly. That's why everything's a little... The B's... So, I'm going to call these asteroids. Asteroids array. And then... And I'm going to call this one the aliens underscore array. Okay. So in my array, I need to put all my aliens. And then when I hit anything in this alien array, I'm going to get points. If I run into an alien and destroy an alien, I get points. If I run into an asteroid or a satellite, I lose lives. Does that make sense with everybody? So now, when you go to score this, okay, which is go find your scoring. Here it is. So right under here, do you guys see where I'm going? Global lives equal to global lives minus 1. Kennedy, do you see that? So I just want to put an if statement in here. Right here. If what? If global lives is equal to what? If global lives is equal to what? 0. Then what should happen? What should happen if my global lives is equal to 0? Game over, right? So then how do you make the game become over? What does that mean, game over? So what is running our game? What's the main controller of our game? Have you guys read through this code? What controls our game? What is the main engine of this game? It's right here. Clock animate. Because when the clock is running, the aliens are dropping. The clock is making these aliens drop. Do you guys see this right here? Right? It's just like a basketball game. What makes the players stop moving around the basketball court? The clock, right? When that clock hits 0, the game is over. So the clock is the major engine of the game. So when I come down here to my if statement, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to go to clock animate, timer enabled to, and I'm going to go to false. Okay. Now, if I turn it off, you have to be able to turn it back on, right? So this is where I would probably create a reset button. Are you with me on that? And I would probably go to my user interface, and I would probably put in a user reset button in here. Are you guys getting this in the back? Okay. And if you don't, I've got a video on it. I'm going to make this my reset button. Okay. And so this is going to be BTN reset. I'll go ahead and get the image later. But for right now, when I click on my reset, right, these are your empty lists up here. I like to fit these in here so they all fit together. Okay, so when I click on BTN reset, here it is right here. Okay, I want to create a procedure called start reset game. All right. So I'm going to say start, and we've done this before, start reset game. Are you with me? So when I hit start reset game, okay, now everything can get turned back on. So my clock, where's my clock? I can do this a different way. Copy this, right? This is true, okay? What do you want your lives to go to? So you go back to set your number of lives to, if you want the 4, then you go back to 4. Are you with me? Points. Set your points back to 0. Okay. And you can just go through here and figure out what are you doing to start and reset the game. Stop angle equals 10. So go ahead and set your stop angle to 10. And screen counter goes to 0. Are you with me? So everything gets reset. And then where's screen initialize in here? Screen initialize. So actually, yeah, I don't know if you have to do all this. Okay. So you could actually put all this into here. You don't need this color in here. If I wanted to, I could actually just take everything in here. And then when I initialize it, I can duplicate this and call start reset game. And there you go. Both of these now call this guy right here. Purple. All right, that's done. That's how you start and reset the game. You with me on that? What do you want to happen? Well, I wanted the clock to turn off. Okay. Okay. So happy coding. Keep calm and code on. Figure it out.